Well, James.
Stop.
James.
Stop. You don't record me.
James.
What's wrong with you? I want my cupcakes and my milk, you butthead.
So you're having chest pains.
No, I never did. That was bullcrap.
You're having chest pains.
No, I
It's
didn't.
horribly painful.
That's a
and
bright
yet-
light, and I didn't. I
and
want
yet
chest
you-
pains.
You want a cupcake.
I had no chest pains whatsoever. I'm
Yeah.
still not having any chest pains.
So if I touched your heart right now, you'd have no problem.
I don't have no problem.
You're such a liar.
Anyway, why are you recording me? I want some cupcakes. I might drop dead if you were right. If I was having a heart attack and you denied
No,
me a
I
cupcake, my
said-
last freaking wish.
I said
Even people on death row get a last meal. Ow. Oh my
What was that? Al? That's right. Al. Uh-huh. Yeah.
Fine, I'm fine.
He needs
Anyway,
an aspirin.
I need a nap. That's all.
You
I
need
need a
an aspirin.
cupcake. You freaking dirty, mean butt.